First video of 2026. I was told that the driver's fender was on, but I came here and it wasn't. And the issue is the infamous second gen door hinges. There's squeaking, and they replaced them, the door hinges, when they rebuilt the body. However, being a second gen, it's wearing pretty fast, even with the little bit of in and out they're doing. So I'm opting for a heavier duty door hinge that is recommended to be bulletproof. So we're going to take off both doors, replace both upper and lower hinges with the bulletproof hinges, and then get the fender back on next week. More wiring of the relays for the door, electricals, the locks, and the power windows. A lot of heavy duty wiring there. This front end work always blows my mind. There's a auxiliary oil cooler and transmission cooler, and in the center is the remote oil filter because of the LS3 installation was required. The more videos I take, the more it bugs me that on the camera and the video it looks more orange than it does in person. I don't know what causes that. But it is definitely a candy apple red in person. And here's the new windshield and rear glass. Hopefully get installed next week. The work this week's a little light because of warranty work, and the shop took precedent. It's okay. This is my third New Year's in the shop, so it's I've learned lots of patience. And here's the upper and lower hinges that will be replaced. And here's one of the fender flares and the front middle spoiler that needs to be painted. Because the batteries are tucked up underneath the shelf on the trunk, I've got this remote battery post that will be placed somewhere convenient in the trunk, so if I ever have to jump it or charge it, I can get to some terminals fairly easy. What gave me the idea for this is my 2022 Camaro. The battery is located in the trunk, and there's a prominent battery positive terminal post in the engine bay for ease of jumping. Some bonus material. Nice old Chevy. Don't know what year. Nice Corvette convertible. Split rear cone. Looks like 5-speed manual transmission.